Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? Welcome back. Hey, so I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group SHINee, and this is a music video. Well, this is a reaction to the music video Atlantis, so I can't wait to see what this was gonna be. Give me color, give me everything. Yes.
미지의 그 영역을 찾게 한 순간 묻혔던 감각들을 깨워낸 듯한 그곳은 중력보다 강하게 또 아주 깊숙하게 헤어나지 못할 끝까지 끌어당겨 나 It's like we underwater 점점 깊어져가 밀려오는 널 품에 안을게
Come on, cuz.
내 숨을 가져가
Hey.
깊어진 your ocean
Yes, it's in your ocean. Go deep, deep, deep.
속에 내 온몸을 맡긴 채 너를 향해 숨겨놔 은밀히 다 어디든가
Come on, sir, with the gray hair.
버티지만 거칠수록 I'm falling for you
Love the graphic. I love that CGI green screen effect.
난 그대가 저기 빛나는 별이라며 고개를 들고 있었지만 그대 위친 바닷속 늘 예상밖에
Love the colors. We're still going back to the, what is it, 70s, 80s colorful pop era. Go deep, deep, deep. Ooh, that was a nice shot. I love the setup, love it. Deep, deep, deep. Go deep, deep, deep. Okay. Underwater. Underwater. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, that was so nice. I really do like it. Good job, SHINee. The Atlantis music video, that was very good. That was never disappoint when it comes to this group. I always said it over and over. When it comes to K-pop and J-pop, they never disappoint. And I could also add I-pop there and P-pop to this group and M-pop as well. Very good job, very good job. Thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to this video. I really do appreciate it. I really do like this. So colorful. They're so cute. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.